guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that we are doing today. It is a ballroom dancing makeup look. I have a hair look coming as well that I'm just about to film. So yep, like the video, do what you gotta do. Yeah, enjoy and good luck for your dancing competition. Bye. My last ballroom dancing video, I got 6,000 views. I'm stoked about that. So obviously there's an audience and there's some demand for some more. I hope so. So anyway, I've already done my foundation. I used my Napoleon Purtis 17S foundation brush with my Napoleon Purtis stick foundation. I use this in a look 3 because I'm not fake tanned at the moment, but for ballroom dancing, you'd probably want to look for, or maybe even a 5B, maybe mixing the two of those together. Oh, I primed my face with the Benefit Professional as well, so that's going to minimize pores and help your foundation stay on all day. And the reason why I choose the Napoleon Purtis stick foundation is because it's water resistant, so it is really good if you get sweaty. We'll be priming our eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This will keep our eyeshadows on. Okay, next we are moving straight onto brows. I've already got a brow tutorial, so I'm just going to whiz through this. And I'll link my brow tutorial down below. Now the only difference between doing your brows normally and doing them for like a ballroom dancing competition is I start my brow in a centimetre closer and then I extend it at least a centimetre more just to give that really defined look. Today I think I'm going to do an eyeshadow look that's going to be a little bit more versatile than last time. So I think I'm just going to do like matte browns, maybe like a really deep plummy black kind of colour, but just keeping them more neutral tones so you can wear them with kind of any coloured dress. With that being said, I am probably going to use a lot of the Prismatic Quad in number 4 by Napoleon Purtis, and we're going to start off with this top colour here to contour our eye. And I'm using my MAC 217 to do this. Taking your eyeshadow right out till past the brow. I'm going to start taking that straight under the eye. Now I'm using my flat 239 MAC brush. Sexy. You need to make sure that the angle of these are completely even. Got them both finishing just under the brow. That should work out well. I'm not sure whether we did this step last time or not, but we're going to get our Bobbi Brown black gel liner. I'm going to use a Napoleon 7R brush. Now work from the outside of your eye and just start pressing this black gel liner down. This is going to create a base for our black eyeshadow. Like so. Just make sure you're even. Now get all of the black off of the brush. And now that there's not much left on your brush, you start blending it out. See how that's got a smoother edge than this one? Okay, now the first eyeshadow I want to use is from this old Rimmel palette. It's called 014 Bold Behaviour, and we're going to use this top right colour. Use a small applicator brush, it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm using the Napoleon 8B for this, and you really want to pack this colour on. Now we're taking our MAC 217 and blending that out. Just blend out the edges, so I don't want you to move any of the bulk of the colour. You're just softening the outside edges. Now we're going to take this bottom colour and we're going to start blending it out. So you're wanting to put it just in the crease here. Focusing right in here. You don't want to bring it down through here. Just make sure that you're getting it to kind of where your brow's finishing. Actually, now we're going to use this colour here in the Rimmel palette with a flat applicator brush. This brush is the 10B by Napoleon. And this is going to go all over our mobile lid. And you just want to overlap those two colours here. You can see that's brightened up this eye already. Now we're going to take a white eyeliner pencil, so doing like a V shape. We're just going to softly blend that out. But you don't want to blend it out too much, you just want to kind of soften it. Next we're going to use Booty Call from the Naked 2 palette. And we're going to pop that over the top of the white eyeliner. Bringing it right in here. Okay, now I believe we can take our sticky tape off. Grab your foundation brush and start blending everything and cleaning everything up. You can notice that we need to extend our brows out more. I'm just going to do that now with my Chocoholic brow pencil. Like that. Now we're going to take a really thin brush and a MAC paint pot again. We're going to tidy up under our brows. And I'm just blending it out now with my MAC 242. Just want to give everything one more good blend with my 217. Okay, now we're going to we do go under the eyes. We're going to go in with the darkest colour here from the Rimmel palette. And we're using our G5 Napoleon angle brush. And we're just dragging it through here. Sounds good, doesn't it? You're just dragging it through there. I just picture like a mum just like dragging her child through the shopping centre when they're chucking a tantrum. It's probably something my mum would have done to me. And now we're going to go in with the darkest colour from the Napoleon palette and just blend it out. Okay, so we're looking for something like this. We're going to do our concealer under our eyes. Now it's creamy concealer in Radiant Custard. And now you just literally want to paint this shit all over your face. My friend Rachel Plass texted me the other day and she was like, oh my god, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is amazing. How have I not thought of this earlier? Have I not found it? So it is a really good concealer to buy if you guys are looking for a good one. I think it is around $40 in Australia, but I mean, it's really good stuff. It's cleaning all the shazing off my hand. And now we're picking up our Prep and Prime from MAC in Light Boost. And this just goes pretty much where your concealer goes as well. It's a bit more of a highlight, this one. And normally I would highlight through here, here, and here. But because it's a ballroom comp, you do want your makeup to be quite dark. I suppose you could put like a tiny bit here and here. But I just don't know. I think if you put it here, it's going to make your face look too light. So I think just focus in these areas. I don't know, just for the sake of it, I might just do that. But I wouldn't go putting it like all the way up there. Now we're going to use our Beauty Blender to blend it out. And that's how it's looking. We're going to move on to our bronzer on our cheeks, which I'm going to use this, which I've been using for a mirror. Refined Golden Bronzing Powder with MAC 109 brush. Just tapping it off into there. You want to contour the shit out of your face. I would never normally bring my contour down so close to my mouth, but why not? YOLO. So starting from your ear, back and forth, all the way down. You want it to be under your cheekbone, so if you feel where the hollow of your cheek is, that's where you got to put it, girlfriend. Cool, and now we're going to do our forehead. I mean, make sure when you're doing your foundation that you're really pushing your foundation into your hairline. But this bronzer is going to, what's the word I'm looking for? It's going to be like your backup, just in case you didn't do that well enough. Like, actually put it in your hair, because I hate seeing girls that have the white line and you can see their white hairline like that. Oh, cover that up. Nobody likes a white scalp. And don't be a tight ass with this bronzer. Like, really go for it. Under your chin so you don't get a little doubler, a little double chin during the day. And now you want to take it onto your ears and right behind your ears, because otherwise when your hair's slicked back you're going to have white back of the ears. And no one likes the white back of the ears. Okay. Drag it down your neck if you have to. Dragging through the shopping centre. Oh man, I spend too many hours talking to myself. Cool. Blush. I've done things in a really weird order. Like, I haven't even finished my eyes and I'm already going onto my cheeks, but I think it's just because I can't stand looking at myself and having friggin' sticky tape and shit all over me. Let's do blush. I Found this Napoleon blush of mine. Cheek to Chic Duo in shade 4. And I'm just going to mix those two shades together. As I said, it's a duo. So uneven. Jeez, Rachel. And then I just like to take my beauty blender and just refine that line. Ooh. Because you don't want it to be too low. See how this is like drooping, making my face like this side of my face sag. Now we're going to use some highlighter. And what better one to use than Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. This shit is amazeballs. And we're going to use maybe just the MAC 109 brush. Pop that in the middle, down your nose, lip, and chin. Cool, now we're going to move on to our liquid liner, mascara, lashes. Piss off. Sorry guys. So back to our Bobbi Brown, we're going to use our 5A Napoleon Pettis angle brush. So we're doing a really big dramatic flick. Everything's dramatic in ballroom dancing, especially the people. Oh. In a good way, of course. You want to know how I do my wing eyeliner a little bit more in depth, I do have a wing eyeliner tutorial, so I suppose I can link it down below. Patting this onto the bottom waterline. Now we're going to take our angle brush with the darkest Rimmel colour from before and just smoke that out while it's still damp. Like so. We're going to pop some of this on the inside of the eye. Yeah, that's a bit better. Now we're going to use this on our brow bone to highlight. So mascara first, I'm using my YSL Shocking, which I'm in love with. Got all my besties onto it and they're in love with it too. I got this one in Sephora, so I think I only paid like 30 US for it, but I'm pretty sure they're about $50 each. But it is a really good mascara. I mean, not that you really need a good mascara when you're putting falsies on anyway, because you're not going to see your natural lashes. So we are coating the lash band in the lash glue. Wait 30 seconds. You can get your tweezers and pinch your real lashes and the two pairs of falsies together. But be very careful. Don't try this at home, kids. Now we're just going to finish off with a lip. I hope you've enjoyed this so far, guys. Tried to make it a little bit different to the last one, with the colours. But I guess everything else is pretty similar. I don't know. Let me know what you thought down below of everything. Any question you guys might have? Questions, maybe? Yeah, I want to do a little bit of a different lip. First of all, make sure your lips are dry. So I'll take my lip balm off and get a powder. I'm just using a powder foundation. And powder your lips, because your lipstick will be less likely to bleed if it's on a matte powdered surface rather than being on like a smooth, oily, liquid foundation surface. My mouth is powdered to the shit house. So now we're going to go in with Plum Roll Lip Pencil by Napoleon. Now a little trick. Use your white eyeliner pencil. And just pop that there. And then we're going to go in with MAC Amplified Girl About Town. You want to try not to touch your pencil or the white pencil. And we'll just pop a little bit of gloss on. I'm just using the Lip Lacquer by Napoleon Purtis. These are the best glosses in the world. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial today. I really hope that you enjoyed joining me in the process of creating this look. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for my hair tutorial that I'm just about to film. Thank you, bye.